just boarded our flight from Miami.
What's today's date?
Today is June 6th,
Today's
2022.
June 6th.
It's Monday. Check in with us at this time tomorrow. We're going to be
In
Athens.
See you there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So excited. Oh my gosh, we just fixed everything about this situation.
Just made it to Athens.
We did.
Plaka, Athens. So we just entered from the gate of the Acropolis.
Yes. Behind us.
It's right behind us. And we're on our way to
The Parthenon.
the Parthenon, which is the
Athena's
temple of Athena.
Yeah.
It's where the queen used to,
The goddess.
the goddess,
Peter's
do
getting
her
confused
thing.
with Egyptology
Yeah,
right
for
now.
real. It's all pretty similar, not gonna lie. How we doing?
Good. We're trekking along. We're gonna make it. Walking long distances has been tough for me, but
But the weather's been helping. You got some comfy shoes on.
we do.
We only slipped twice.
Oh, I almost ate the floor. I almost ate the floor.
Well, to be fair, they had porcelain floors.
They make
on
their
the
stairs out of marble or porcelain or something, and so
like
there
that.
really is. It's a lot of slippage. There is no grippage.
We needed basketball shoes.
Yeah, you know, I'm not much of an athlete, so
Get set. Down on your knees. Go! Follow me into the Panathenaic Stadium.
that is so cool.
The weather is super nice. It's
Yeah.
like low 70s, high 70s.
Yeah. There's a
It's breezy, it's not humid.
Actually, we are staying in the heart of Athens where a lot of tourists stay, so like
Yeah.
we haven't really ran into many locals. Most people
True.
are English speaking, like they literally probably just got off our plane.
Yeah. This is Plaka, Athens.
He said that this was like the center. I can't explain it.
What?
It's like, it almost seems like it's familiar,
Yeah.
but
But it's not.
I don't know. But I feel like I'm home. It's weird. I don't ever want to leave.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Follow me this way.
Yes. Wow. Oh, look, I think is that the Parthenon, Acropolis? One of the buildings up there. We don't really know where we are or how to get to like the main thing,
Do we ever know where we are?
but we'll figure it out. That's the beauty of being in a country where you don't know anything. You get to explore. It's amazing. Those oranges?
You left climbing? Lots of stairs, huh?
The old
The
tavern.
old tavern of Sarah.
Sarah?
If the P is silent.
Oh. Let me tell you something.
Tell them, Myrna. Tell them.
Something about the olives in Greece. It's like a little ridiculous.
Actually, it was really good. I almost ate it with the business.
And I think it's a thing. Because earlier this morning for lunch, they serve bread and olive oil.
Yeah.
Bread and olives, and it's like I mean, yeah, Greek olives. Ridiculous.
Olives and grapes, top two. So we're getting ready to try the wine now.
Yes.
This is Peter.
And this is Myrna.
The Ibrahims want to welcome you on our honeymoon trip
Yes.
to Santorini, Greece.
Welcome. We're happy you're here.
Come back, bro. The year is 2022. We're on our honeymoon. We got married like 10 days ago.
Yes.
And it's downhill from here. Just gonna go on trips like this every year.
Yeah, so future Myrna and future Peter.
Yes, go on trips.
Make it a point.
That's right.
And if you don't...
End the statement. Be squared.
Sure. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Day 2. Santorini.
And it's beach day.
Yes. We're going on a, what is it called?
Catamaran.
Catamaran. And we're going to be beach hopping. The sun's shining. The breeze.
This is what we're getting on.
Yes.
This is our catamaran. Vista yachting. That's what it says. That's what our bus says too.
Τη στιγμή που φάνηκες μπροστά μου χτυπάει σαν τρελή. Για σένα η καρδιά μου σάρκα και οστά. Παίρνουν τα όνειρά μου και με ένα βλέμμα σου ξεχνάω το όνομά μου. Άιντε, ποια δύναμη να βρω, να έρθω να σου μιλήσω, κάτι να σου πω. Πρέπει να πιω για να φτιαχτώ, μήπως καταφέρω και έρθω. Ζαλίζομαι από το θόρυβο.
You have 2 minutes before I push you. 2, 1, yes!
Άκου πως η καρδιά μου για σένα παλαμάκα σου χτύπα. Στο ρυθμό της χόρεψες για μένα.
Done one job.
We'll let this dry. I'm sorry.
Thanks for dropping my dome into water. What to do? What's the update? My vlogger, my personal vlogger.
I just like I'm really at home. True.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
I love it here.
We love it here. We do love it here. Tell me about this dessert.
It's Greek yogurt with sweetened grapes.
Wow.
And it's incredible.
Wow.
Θαύματα του κόσμου και το κορμί σου αυτό που μοιάζει με λαμπάδα σε κάνει αυτομάτως την πιο ωραία στην Ελλάδα. Άιντε, ποια δύναμη να βρω, να έρθω να σου μιλήσω, κάτι να σου πω. Πρέπει να πιω για να φτιαχτώ, μήπως καταφέρω και έρθω. Ζαλίζομαι από το πολύ ποτό, τα χείλη σου μυρίζουν αλκοόλ.
You know اللي هتبقى جامدة
ايه اللي هتبقى جامدة؟
جدا
جدا.
الفتة بتاعتهم والبطيخ. اختي
فتة وبطيخ زي جبنة بيضة وبطيخ بالظبط.
It's gonna be
بالظبط.
so good.
Στο ρυθμό της χόρεψες για μένα. Τίκα τάκα τίκα τάκ, τικ τακ, τικ τακ. Άκου πως εκεί η καρδιά μου. Τίκα τάκα τίκα τακ, τικ τακ, τικ τακ.
Γεια μας.
Τίκα τάκα τίκα τακ. Ζαλίζομαι από το πολύ ποτό, τα χείλη σου μυρίζουν αλκοόλ. Μα δεν με νοιάζει, δεν με πειράζει, απλώς θέλω να τα γι' Τίκα τάκα τίκα τακ, άκου πως εκεί η καρδιά μου.
This is my wife and we are in Pyro.
Μα δεν με νοιάζει, δεν με πειράζει, απλώς θέλω να τα γι' Τίκα τάκα τίκα τακ, άκου πως εκεί η καρδιά μου για σένα παλαμάκα σου χτύπα. Στο ρυθμό της χόρεψες για μένα.
Hello.
Hello and welcome back.
Oh, the sky is beautiful. It's behind us.
What's the update?
It is our last night
Yes.
in Athens. What am I saying? We're going to Athens tomorrow, but it's our last night in Santorini, which is
Very sad because we're gonna miss this.
it hurts a little bit.
Μα δεν με νοιάζει, δεν με πειράζει. Απλώς θέλω να τα γι' αυτό. Τίγα τα κατίκα. Άκου πως έχει η καρδιά μου για σένα. Παλαμάκα σου χτυπά.
How do you feel? It's your last night in Santorini.
I'm kind of sad.
Yeah,
We're gonna miss it.
I am too.
But I feel like we were here long enough to enjoy it.
Yes.
But not too long. So that way we do want to come back.
Yes.
We left some stuff so we do want to come back.
Yes.
Which is very nice.
Exactly. And there you have it. Good morning. Just kidding. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Checked out of our hotel. Sad. And the good news is we got to spend some more time in Santorini our last several hours before our flight. So we got some food. We went back to Pitos Gyros. I'm sorry, I keep squinting like this and it's not a cute look, so it was very good.
I think Pito Euros has been our favorite restaurant in Santorini.
Yeah.
Because we went there twice.
And we got some ice cream. Very good ice cream.
Yeah.
And now we're just chilling.
Ice cream from Kayak Pure Magic.
Yes, we're going to the airport at 4. So we have some more time to kill. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but it's nice to just be able to sit and relax. Yeah.
Taking in the view the last couple hours.
And off to
Egypt we go. This is Peter and Myrna, and this is Santorini, Greece.
No. This is Peter. This is Myrna.
Oh.
He's not Peter and Myrna.
Oh.